Hi, fifth graders. For this lesson, I'm going to start by reading you this book called Treasures of the Heart. Now, it might not be what you expect, so I want you to think about if this is what you would call treasure, or if maybe it doesn't quite match and why that might be. So it's called Treasures of the Heart. It's written by Alice Ann Miller, illustrated by K.L. Darnell. Come along with me to see the greatest treasure that will ever be. It's not in chests on pirate ships or in your favorite birthday wish. It's buried deep and very safe. I have it in my special place. Come along, it's through this door. Crawl with me along the floor. We're getting closer. Watch your head. Yes, here it is beneath my bed. A paper clip, a potato chip, a broken pen, and 3 toy men. Don't move that fuzz. It's there because it helps me hide the loot. Let's see. A coffee can, a rubber band, and yuck. Oh, never mind. A yellow sock, my lucky rock. Let's see what you can find. My favorite car, my cricket jar, a 2-year-old bird's nest, a peach pit, 1 pointed stick. What do you mean this is a mess? For everything that's under here, there's a story I could tell. I've collected all these treasures, and I've kept them very well. When I couldn't save the whole, I stored away a part. Everything you see here is a treasure of my heart. No one but you has ever seen the wonders I've just shared. The paper planes, some dried up rain, and genuine rabbit hair. I wanted you to see my stuff and have fun with it too. You wouldn't want to break my heart and throw it out. Mom, would you? So, I want you to think about what is important to you, because clearly to this child, some strange things were important to him. He doesn't explain it, just tells us maybe it reminds him of special events, maybe he got it from a special person. So, think about that in your life. What things matter to you? It could be people, or it could just be things that remind you of people. It could be things that remind you of special things you have done or seen, because you are going to write or find pictures of things that are important to you and put them on or next to this treasure chest on your assignment. Now, if it's you have a special shirt that you got from your grandpa, you don't actually have to take a picture of the shirt. You could just write a shirt I got from my grandpa, or you could just find a picture of a t-shirt to represent that. It could be a special, stuffed animal, something that reminds you of something you like to do, maybe a favorite book or a game you like to play. But really try to think more than just surface level, more than just like, oh, here's a video game I like, here's a movie I like, which those are good, but try to think deeper. Think, this time I got to go visit my friend and have a sleepover. We went to see a movie and I saved the ticket stub. Or I have this special memory of the time I went riding on my bike with my dad. So it could just be memories too. It doesn't actually have to be physical treasures. It could just be treasures that you hold in your heart. Like I know my aunt passed away a year and a half ago, and I don't have a lot of things, but I do have a lot of special memories with her. So I could say the time that we went out to eat. It's like super simple. Or a time when she came to watch me in a show that I was doing. that's a special memory that I have, even though it's not an object. So they can be objects that are treasures to you. They can be memories, but to really try and think deeper than just things that you like. Okay, so the goal is trying to find at least 10. If you can't do that, really try to get some quality things brainstormed. Again, these could be things that you would then write about later on. So have fun and good luck.